maraming Filipino moviegoers ang makakahanap after nung cinema rin nga this time?
Actually, it's nice kasi this film, it's deserved to be shown to more people. Kasi nung time na nag-show to, nung Cinema One Originals, sobrang selected cinemas lang yung pinili. So, hindi namin napakita talaga kung anong klaseng film siya. In a way, it's a blessing in disguise. Kasi parang ngayon naman, people are, nakikita ko sa social media, sa accounts ko, like, nagko-comment sila na sobrang curious sila kung ano yung story ng film. Kasi sobrang ano naman din niya, sobrang mysterious niya sa trailer. So, it's good that more people will get to watch this film now. And yun, I think it's a good way, it's a good venue for people to see that it's a different film naman sa mga nakikita natin, sa mga napapanood natin usually. So, yun.
Tapos, so tungkol sa salvage and medyo, sabi mo nga kanina, thriller na parang medyo magpagka-horror. Can you expound?
Hindi ko talaga masabi kung thriller siya na horror or like suspense. But isa lang talaga yung word na magagamit ko sa film, which is disturbing. Kumbaga, I am not shy to say it. I am not denying the fact that it's the kind of film where after watching it, you'll still think about it. Parang, ano nangyari? Parang ganon. So, kasi ako, nung first time ko siyang napanood, doon ko nakita na sige, sasabihin ko little secret namin. Wala kaming script. So, nung present sa akin yung film na to, nung first, nagpabasa sila ng script and everything. But, when we did it, nung nag-shoot na kami, si Sharad kasi sobrang spontaneous na director no. So, like, nung may mga scenes na siyang dinadagdag, napapansin ko na ko, Sharad, parang may mga bagong eksena na hindi ko nakita sa script ha, na kahit ako natatakot akong gawin. So, ganun siyang classic film. So, hindi ko talaga alam kung saan siya makakategorize or yung genre niya. Basta more of, siguro, suspense. So, suspense thriller. Kasi mapapaisip ka diba? It's not plain horror, definitely. But, yeah, it's more of a thinking film. So,
but Jessie, I'm just curious, have you watched the film again?
I haven't, actually. To be honest, ganun ako na-disturb nung una.
Okay.
So like, hanggang ngayon naaalala ko pa rin yung mga eksena. It's actually the most challenging film I've ever done in my whole career.
So what was the most difficult scenes that you shot? Kasi those were shots in the forest, diba? And may mga drag.
Yeah, ako lahat yun. I had no doubles. And meron doon yung parang, di ba sa probinsya uso yung pag nagsisiga or like parang pugon. And parang siyang, ano pang tawag doon? Yung may butas sa ilalim. Basta sa probinsya may ganun. Pumasok ako doon. So I did that. Dala namin yung camera.
Hindi ka naman nagkakasugat-sugat?
Medyo, nagkaroon ng mga sugat. Pero more of, sobrang nadumihan kami. Kasi lupa talaga eh. Yun, so far yun yung mahirap na eksena. Pero I remember, nung may pinapagawa na isang scene sa akin si Sharad, sobrang kahit ako sa sarili ko, nagda-doubt ako na parang, kaya ko ba itong eksena to? Sobrang nakaka-bother siya. Na parang, feeling ko pag pinanood ko yung sarili ko, weird.
But after doing this film, what have you become?
I've learned that it's always good to step out of your comfort zone. It's a good feeling whenever you do something out of, alam mo yun, yung hindi mo nakakasanayan. Kasi like ako sanay akong, pampered or like kapag may mga eksena na mahihirap, nandiyan yung mga doubles or like kapag kailangan madapa or may mapunta ka sa lupa, meron kang double. Ito talaga, this full film, every scene, pinag-isipan, lahat ng blockings, lahat ng actually lahat ng sasabihin namin hindi scripted. Tapos yung mga ibang elements sa eksena, planted lang. Minsan di namin alam. So like ganun ka raw, saka ganun ka katotoo. Yung feelings, yung emotions, yung fear, nung kaba, nung weirdness.
So magiging
action ka.
matapang ka na sa susunod na pelikula na tatanggapin.
Define matapang. Yung may tipong may ahas, gano'n.
Depende, relative.
Or
Yung
daring.
sa'yo, sa definition mo, anong klaseng tapang? Kasi nga syempre, nahatak ka na.
Saka itong lahat, yung film na to, lahat ng scenes namin, one take lahat. I mean, hindi one take na first attempt ha. What I mean is, hindi siya
I-rehearse mo na.
cut.
Dire-diretso.
Once you make a mistake, you start all over again from the top. That's how it is. Makikita niyo sa film later, may mga scenes na 3 minutes long or 5 minutes long, pero that's one take.
How long did it take for you to shoot the whole?
I think we took half a month or like a month na pabalik-balik kami ng location. Meron din naglo-lock in kami sa location. So,
Nag-action ka.
doon, yeah, kind of. Pero hindi siya yung action na may baril-baril. Or of takuhan, hilaan, suntukan, gano'n.
May love angle din ba sa story? Hindi yun ang...
Hindi eh. More of, ano ba? May scene doon na sobrang nakakatawa na pag pinanood mo, walang physical touch or walang kahit ano kami ni JC. Pero nung nanonood yung mga tao, kinilig sila. So, yun, I guess, yun lang. Pero, more of ano talaga siya, of walang bakit. So,
How was the journey of your character in terms of searching for the truth? How would you describe?
I think it was very hard also for my character to be stuck in a place na ang isipin mo lang naman trabaho mo eh, di ba? Pumunta kayo dun sa place na yon to find something and to see what's really happening there. But then when you get there, turns out akala mo ikaw yung masusurprise, ikaw yung surprise. So, yung sa character more of shocking truth eh. It's very scary. Kahit ako mismo na tao, pagka iniisip ko yung nangyari sa role ko, takot ako eh. So, yun.
And has it changed also the way you perceived reporters? Like, kami kasi, Sarah kami kung gusto namin alam yung totoo, ganyan.
At saka sobrang may mga scenes doon na parang, oo nga, no, ginagawa nga nila to. Like, basta may isang scene doon, kunwari na nangyari na yung damage, tapos lininis na, gagawin mo na yung damage ulit para lang makunan. May ganon. So like, but I totally understand your work and I appreciate it more. That's why I appreciate media now and press. Kasi hindi biro yung trabaho nyo. Sobrang, you go on location without knowing what will surprise you. But still, you stick to your work, and I think that's one of the greatest things to admire with your line of work.
Nagkaroon ba ulit kayo ng usapan ni JC about na parang, na-resurrect yung film natin and all?
More of Federic, sure. Kasi hindi naman din masyadong nakikita ni JC. Pero he tagged me naman on his post. So I'm sure he's really happy na mapapakita yung film. Kasi pinaghirapan din namin yung movie na to. Tapos parang sayang naman if people won't see it. So more of si Direk Sharad na parang, hey girl, ganun kasi siya kayo mag-usap sa akin. Hey girl, yung film natin na weirdo mapapalabas na. Sabi ko, ang saya naman. Sabi niya, sana mas marami pang tao makanood nun. Kasi yung energy daw na binigay ko sa film na dun iba, kesa dun sa mga nabibigay ko sa mga previous works ko. So,
Jessie, where do you think your career is heading? Kasi like, diba, recently yung Def Banana Split na
Banana Sunday.
Banana Sunday, sorry. So, ano yung plans na ng Star Match?
Actually, kanina nakasalubong ko. Sa lahat ng tao makasalubong ko sa elevator, yung boss ko pa, si Tita Malu. Yun, kasi nasabihan ako ng soap na to mga months ago, pero may binago sila, may mga inayos pa sila. So I think they're ready to pitch mga 2 weeks from now. That's what she said. So ako naman, I'm just following what the management says, and I'm just taking it easy now. Kumbaga parang I'm searching for change. And syempre, if you wanna change, you'd like to take your time. Hindi naman pwedeng if you want to grow with your career, nagmamadali ka, diba? So, dun ako, mas more of growth ang hinahanap ko. And I think it's about time to accept different roles. So,
Drama yung last shoot mo. Tapos
Yes,
ngayon, ano yung gusto mong gawin ulit? Rom-com?
I mean, it's okay to do drama again, but more of a different level of drama. Kumbaga parang hindi yung usual na ginagawa ko. Di ba, yun naman lahat ng sagot ng mga artista, di ba? I just wanna do something different, and yeah, and just, maybe I'm just waiting for that difference.
Pero kasi di ba yung naging, parang the way I look at your career was, parang, ngayon, andun na, tapos pag mag-stop, tapos atras, andun na ulit, ganon. So, how would you want it to be moving forward na hindi siya yung pag-ganon?
Define basta.
Di ba yung parang, you did yung kay Dalia na, ano, ikaw na talaga yung major star, and then, tapos biglang madami na naman kayo, tapos biglang magsistop, di ka namin makikita. Tapos biglang, alam mo yun, yung parang even I as an audience, hindi ko tuloy ma-picture.
Okay. Yung hindi siya yung dire-diretso.
Oo, dire-diretso
Superstardom, ganun.
na ginagano.
Actually, I'm not asking for superstar status. I just want work. And whatever comes my way, like kunwari, whatever shows my craft, or like kung ano yung makita nila na, kaya pala na yun. Kasi like ako, what I'm hoping for is longevity. So yung haba, I don't see it that way. Yung andun na to stop, andun na stop. Lahat ng artista may ganun. Sabi nga nila, pag wala teleserye, laos. Pero pag nasa TV ka, sikat ka. Laging ganun eh. I mean, sa dami ng mga artista, hindi pwedeng ako at ako lang. I mean, di ba? Iba naman. Pag it's like a surge. Kumbaga, may papalit-palit yan. So ako, I'm just waiting for it.
Kasi hindi mo pa nakikita yung change na talagang gusto mong mangyari.
Yes. Kaya I'm working for it.
Ano yun? Specific ko ano yung talagang gusto mong
I can't give specifics right now eh. Kasi like, yun ang hinahanap ko nga eh, yung change. Na parang yung
Nakaka-challenge talaga sa acting.
Oo, yung ganun. Kasi hindi naman din ako bata. Diba? I'm 24. I started when I was 14.
Ano yung gusto mong role talaga gawin? Na-dream mo role mo?
Dami kong dream roles eh. I can't really pinpoint one. Kasi may mga times na hindi ko akalain. Hindi ko akalain na magagawa ko siya. Kumbaga parang it never crossed my mind to be a segment producer in a film. Ngayon naging dream role ko siya. Nagawa ko siya. So kumbaga parang kapag maganda yung material, kapag maganda yung role, kapag swak na kaya kong gawin at alam kong kaya kong gawin, okay siya. Hindi ako naghahanap ng dream role. I wanna do as much as I can with any role.
But basically, ano talagang career path na gusto mo? Kasi nag-stress ka na, tapos nag-comedy ka, ngayon nag-horror ka. Ano talaga yung career path na gusto mo?
Jack of all trades. I wanna do everything. So, definitely not only pasexy. So I've been doing it for 10 years. So maybe a change with that.
How would you compare the fulfillment of doing this film as compared to sa iba mong medyo mas
It's a fulfillment of a different kind of role. kumbaga parang lagi kong sinasabi, I wanna do something different, I wanna do something different. It is definitely different. And when you watch me there, you'll see and you'll feel that I've never done it before. So I think that alone is a good answer to your question na it's different from my other films. Hindi ako nagpa-cute dito, hindi ako nagpakipaghalikan, hindi ako nagpakita ng balat, hindi ako nag-technical na kung anong line or whatever. It's raw and it's different. So yes, it's probably a bit better than most of my roles.
Would you say that this is the path that you want to continue?
What kind of path?
More serious, less of the wrong songs, sweet jokes, or
Well,
witty?
like what I said kanina, parang I would like to try everything. And nagkataon naman na present the opportunity na suspense thriller. And it's my first time to do with that kind of film. So, more of everything, sana. Diba? Hanggang sa maubos yung career mo, gawin mo na lahat para masabi mong nagawa mo na lahat.
Napanood na ba ni Luis yung
Not yet. Gusto ko nga mapanood niya eh. Kasi sabi niya, kailan ba showing yan? Ganito, ganyan. Curious ako kung ano yung role mo dyan. So, kanento ko sa kanya lahat yan. So, sabi niya, wow, pang
nanonood siya ngayon?
mukhang gusto kong manood niya na.
Kasi kamusta ka is very supportive kayo sa isa't isa and sobrang sweet lalo kayo sa isa't isa.
Okay naman kami. He's preparing for his next shows. Tapos ako rin, kumbaga parang we're taking our time and we're taking it easy. Medyo hindi kadalian ng mga naranasan namin last year. Pero now that everything's settled, kumbaga, everything fell into place. Everything fell into place and we're just really happy now.
In terms of
Sorry, and you, just mark yung, first anniversary niya sa couple.
I'm sorry?
First
anniversary.
anniversary.
What about it?
As a couple.
Yun, kasi parang medyo naging siya dahil, yun pala talaga yung date na naging sila. Kasi after all this
Yeah, this year.
What about it?
So, feeling mo ba na-vindicate ka or something dahil yung mga tao lagi sinasabi na may overlapping, ganyan.
No naman, no.
You feel relieved na?
I'm sorry?
Do you feel relieved na nakita niya?
No, I mean, I've been relieved and I've felt that since last year pa naman nung sinabi ko yan lahat ng mga kilala niyo ako, isang tanong, isang sagot din. Kumbaga, pag may gusto kayong malaman, sinasabi ko yung totoo. And yun eh. What I've said last year is still what I'm going to say now. And yun na yun. Naging kami no June 25. 1 year na.
Because I interviewed a few months ago, and sinabi niyo during the interview na he's hoping that you
Hindi naman. Iba.
Would you care to comment about that?
The one.
The one.
May scenes. May mga scenes
Sabi niya,
That's weird talaga. Kasi even
I'm also hoping that he's the one. So,
marinig na, meron.
malagi naman tayong ganun when we get into a relationship. Lagi natin ina-ask na yung tao kung natin siya na talaga. So far, so good. So, I'm hoping to.
And syempre si Will, vocal din kasi nagsasabi na upbeat naman yung sarili.
Sobrang bait ni Tito B. Parang wala rin ako masabi. Kasi si Tito B, siya naman, ang hangad lang naman niya yung kasiyahan ni Lou. And I think everyone, ganun talaga.
Did you get the chance to bond with her?
Oh yes, we do. Galing lang siya na States recently, tapos nag-Korean. So yun, parang nag-text siya kanina na miss na daw niya kami. Sanang kita-kita kasi kasi nga lagi kaming may ginagawa, lagi kaming may trabaho. Si Lou actually lagi may trabaho. So syempre, nag-aantay lang kami ng peace schedule.
At may pamilya, may
Hindi lang ako very sure kung sa provinces.
Sobrang sinabi niya na hindi lang match daw yung way. Siya yung nakikusap na on campus na sa mga tao na amin yun. Hindi nila.
Na,
Hindi niya nakikusap na clashing sa mga Kasi
Feeling ko naman lahat naman ng mga ka-close namin yung hinatunan.
Wala.
Hayaan na lang natin yung iba sumaya, diba? Kung masaya yung iba, hayaan na lang natin sila. So I guess ganun din siya sa amin. Kasi nakikita niya kung gano'n kami kasaya. So siguro dun siya nanggagaling. Sana pabayaan na lang sila kung hindi masaya. Pero I know she means it.
May pamit na family na rin sa side mo with Luis. Na tumit yung dad mo.
Ay, daddy. Actually, siya yung pinakauna lalaki na nakilala ko sa daddy ko. Kasi ko swerte mo, ha? Ikaw yung pinakauna nakilala na gustuhan ko pa. So,
Can you share ko anong sabi ng dad mo about you?
ano, same silang humor. So, parang sinasabi ng daddy ko, I like him. He's funny like me. So, yun, nagkasundo sila agad. Minsan sila na yung nagbabaturan ng jokes, na sila na yung nag-uusap. Mahilig din sila parehas sa mga gadgets. Ewan ko, tanga ako sa technology. Pero sila nagbabonding, pati yung humor nila. So, I guess, all is well naman.
In this stage of your relationship, is marriage a topic na napapag-usapan?
Oh, every day.
Every day?
Every day. Lagi namin napag-uusapan umaga hanggang gabi. Pero, alam niya alam mo I'm not ready eh. I have so much to do. I want to do so much and willing to wait lang. So, I think that's good.
You're young.
Pero sino yung mas nag-pressure about the marriage? Is it Denise? Is it because of more of his peers are...
I think so. Parang siya. Pero it's more than the pressure. It's more of like, I'm ready. Ganun siya. So like he would say sometimes na, I'm ready and I really feel that you are the one. So, yun. Ito nga, yung phone ko nga, diba? Yung mga notes niya eh. So parang, ganun siya. He's very expressive. And that's one of his traits that I love the most. He's very expressive, he's not shy, he's raw, his feelings. And I'm very patient.
And how do you ano pala? Kasi si Luis is, anong tawag ito? Pag binabash siya, talagang pinapatulan niya. Nasaan kayong mga, sa mga times na yun? Pag
minsan nasa work siya, tapos minsan may ginagawa ko, makikita ko na lang sa Instagram account niya, may binash din siyang basher. Napagalitan ako sa ano ba naman yan, yung mga salita ko. Ginaganon ko siya. Pero minsan naman pag napagsasabihan, nakikinig naman siya, dinidelete naman. Or like nag-DM sila, tapos nagsasorry sila sa isa't isa. May minsan siguro hindi na rin niya mapigilan. May time siya. Mambash na siya ng basher.
And last na lang, and what do you think is the positive influence na nabigay sa'yo ni Jesus?
Weird. As in,
Dami.
magkakatabi kami.
It's more like being on time, smiling a lot, giving a lot, opening the door to someone in front of you. Ganon siya. So, I think yun yung nag-drop off sa akin. To be more respectful, to be more appreciative, to be more patient, and to be more helpful. So, he's a very good influence, obviously. And I'm just really happy na nahahawa ako sa kanya.
Jessie, may makeup tips ka ba? Or
Makeup tips ko. Less is more. Hindi ako masyado mahilig ng makeup na makapal.
pero like now, so makeup yan or
May makeup artist ako, pero nag-uusap kami kung anong classic look yung gusto namin.
So ikaw gusto mo yung more natural na?
Yeah. Yes. Unless na kailangan dark. Yun. Pero pag natural, gusto ko yung skin pa rin. Yung sobrang nipis lang nilalagay.
Could you share kung ano yung makeup brand na ginagawa?
Ang pinaka-base ko na yung Korean brand. Yun yung lagi kong ginagamit sa face ko. Tapos lipstick, Charlotte Tilbury. marami yun eh. So parang depende ka na sa'yo what shade you want.
Yung highlighter.
Highlighter, NARS. Highlighter. Tapos hindi ako masyadong mahilig waterproof mascara. More of easy removal.
Sa skincare tips.
Safeguard. Sabon lang ako, promise. Sabon lang ako. Minsan I forget to wash my face. Of course, I remove my makeup before sleeping and after work. But, kunwari, if hindi ako ng makeup the whole day, and wala naman akong kailangan linisin talaga, water lang.
Ano favorite piece of makeup? Siguro kung isa lang, oo.
Lipstick talaga. And pagka kumari yung red lipstick, bare ka, sobrang laking magagawa ng red lipstick sa face.
Ano yung go-to lipstick na red flavor?
Charlotte Tilbury na red carpet red. Meron din MAC, maganda, yung hindi natatanggal. Meron silang bagong gagawin. So like, yun, pag nilagay mo lang siya kahit kumain ka na, uminom ka na, hindi siya makapagpag. Thank you!